Hi there guys. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Google business profile. If you're not sure what that is, if you own a service-based business and you serve a local area or city, it can be anywhere in the world, right? Then this will be handy and really useful to you. So like, for example, if we just take a random service, a local service, let's say moving company, right, in your city, then you'll find that this over here, okay, first of all, you see these are all ads here, ad, okay, it's Google ads, right? Then you've got this over here. So this is your free listing that you can set up with Google, which I'm going to show you in this video. And obviously it allows you to display your business and your reviews. Obviously you get clients to post the reviews for you. I'll show you how to get the link and everything. And then of course you can link to your website, which will be further down this side over here. Okay, so this over here is one of my clients. They've been around for about 2 years, and I built their website 2 years ago. This is the website. And so this is how it looks. And this is how you can, over time, if you do it correctly, you can actually dominate on Google for your service, right? It takes time. And so this is where a lot of the leads come in, is because they see this first and they see the reviews. And obviously this is impressive, right? Okay, so that's where that comes into play. So the first thing you need, okay, so let me just close this. So it's for this client of mine. I built their website end of 2022. It's now January 2023. So we've done the foundational stuff. We built the website, all that stuff. Now it's time to build the actual Google business listing. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So these are the notes I've got here. So what you need in place is you need, obviously, what's the first of all, the overall thing. So it's for a local service business, right? And this is where the client, the actual business goes to the client to provide the service. So think of home services, like, for example, in this case, it's shelving and racking. Clients don't come to them like a physical office. They go to the customers, okay? So in that situation, they want to hide their physical address because it's not a shop. There's no people coming to them. And we're going to state it as a service area on the Google business listing. You'll see now it's going to make sense now when we do it, okay? So what you need the name of the business, you need the physical address, which obviously I've hidden, and you need the phone number. The reason why, so we're going to be hiding the physical address, but you still need to input an address because you need to use it to verify your listing, which I'll show you now, okay? Then obviously your phone number, and then the category. What's the category on the listing, which I'll show you now how to figure that out. That's why I've left it blank, okay, to show you. Then you've got the hours. Okay, you need to specify your opening hours. You need the URL, which is this one over here, the domain. And you need logo and images. Okay, so that's all you need to do this, right? So we go to over here, you just go to Google business profile. Okay, and then you just go here. And then you go like that. Manage now. Business name. Quality shelving and racking. So choose your business type. Clearly it's a service business. For this video, we're showing you how to do it for a service business where you go to the customer to provide that service, okay? A business category. Okay, so the category is what I left blank on the sheet over here. So if you're not sure what your category is, you want to go look at what your competitors are doing, okay? So they are shelving and racking. So you go, we searched the service in the city, and then we looked at the listings over here. Okay, so over here it's a manufacturer. You can choose industrial equipment supplier, shelving store. So they're definitely not a shelving store. People don't come to their store to look at the shelves, right? They're also not a manufacturer. They are an industrial equipment supplier, though. That's what they do. Okay, so you can go more places to just check if there's any other categories that pop up with your competitors. And you'll probably find, I've been through this already, there's material handling, but it's not that. There's business administration, it's not that. So look at your competitors and choose the one that makes the most sense. Okay, so in this case, we're going to go industrial equipment supplier. Industrial equipment supplier. Okay, that's that. Now, by the way, if you're searching for something like, let's say, for example, we wanted to say shelving. So the only one that came up was shelving store. Now, again, we can't use that. If it said shelving service provider, we would choose that, but it's not here. So you've got to play with it and choose the one that's most relevant to your business and as accurate as possible. You don't want to lie to Google, right? Okay, next. Where do you serve your customers? Okay, so over here, we're just going to say Port Elizabeth. I don't think it's changed yet. Okay, Port Elizabeth. Okay. Oh. So let's check websites. Put your business on the map. Okay, so please enter your mailing address to verify. So this is what I was talking about. You got to verify this listing, which means that Google's got a couple options for you to verify this listing to make sure it's legit. So one of the ways is to send you a postcard with a code on it. You receive that code and then you come back to your listing and you actually verify your listing. But now, obviously, in South Africa, the issue there is that most cases the postcard just doesn't arrive. Okay, so let's do this process now. I'm gonna put the address in. Obviously, I want it to be hidden. I don't want this to be public. So I'll put the address in and I'll go next. Okay, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so I've put in the actual address and now Google's giving me the options to basically verify this listing, right? So right here, I can see they're going to send us let's see if it's going to work. Sometimes it doesn't. So they've given the option to send a text to the number provided. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly contact the owner of the company and get the code from them. I'll punch it in here and then verify. Okay, so we got the code. Let's see if this works. Okay, so you're being verified by Google. This might take a few minutes. So you go next. Okay, so that's correct. Just double check it, make sure it's correct. Okay, and then next. Add messaging. Let customers message your business on Google for free. Accept messages, definitely. Add business descriptions. Next. Okay, so what I like to do here is I like to skip. I'll tell you why. Advertise easily, skip for now. They're obviously promoting Google ads there. Your edits will be visible once you verified. Continue. Okay, that's fine. So you don't actually, you can see this obviously, but you're not verified yet. You're not visible yet to the public. Okay, so for the photos, I like to come here. Just click on this, add photo, and it's more control. So yeah, you can see here, you can choose where the photos are going to go. So logo. So anyway, photos. So select photos. So obviously the more photos you can add, the better, but this is just a starting point. Once we are verified, then we can go ahead and add more photos, etc. But this is just the initial setup. That's it. You're done, right? If you want to, obviously what you want to do now is you want to focus on adding your photos and you want to be adding as much content as you can. And also very importantly, you should be working on getting Google reviews, definitely on your listing. So once your listing is verified, then you come to here, ask for reviews. Then this is the link that you send to your customers, right? So you click on this and then you send this to them and you ask them to post a review. So let me show you where this goes. So if you copy this and you go, it takes them directly to the place they need to be to post a review. So there's no work for them, you understand? So yeah, this is where they'll post a review, give you 5 stars, etc. They can add photos, etc. Okay, that's it.